It's that time of year again. Automakers and dealerships are rolling out some of their best lease offers of the year. Whether you're shopping for a reliable family SUV, rugged off-road truck, or a sleek electric crossover, these year-end deals are designed to move inventory fast and save you money, and they could last into January. From low monthly payments to zero money down, these limited time offers make it easy to drive into 2025 with a brand new vehicle. Here are 10 incredible year-end lease deals you should check out before they disappear in early January and February. We begin with the 2024 Volkswagen Taos. Lease the Taos S for 36 months with zero down, zero first month's payment, and zero due at signing. Monthly payments around $340 for the remaining 35 months. Offer expires January 2nd. A 2024 Volkswagen Atlas. Upgrade to the spacious Atlas for 36 months with zero down, zero first month's payment, and zero due at signing. You'll catch a theme there. Monthly payments around $620 for the remaining 35 months. That offer also expires January 2nd. 2024 GMC Terrain. Returning GM leasees can lease the Terrain for monthly payments of $370 for 39 months. Zero due at signing. That expires also January 2nd. The 2024 Subaru Outback can be yours for 36 months. Monthly payments, $300, $3,000 due at signing. That expires also January 2nd. Chevrolet Equinox 2024. Lease the gas-powered Equinox for 36 months at $300 a month. About $1,300 at signing. Also expiration January 2nd. The 2024 Chevrolet Equinox EV. Go electric for 24 months. $300 a month, $3,200 at signing. How about the stylish Buick Envista for 24 months, $250 a month, $2,800 due at signing. You can lease the rugged Tacoma TRD off-road in the Mid-Atlantic market for $489 a month for 36 months, zero due at signing. You can lease as low as $239 a month with $4,000 down in other markets. This expires January 6th. The powerful Tundra SR5 is available for 36 months at $349 a month. $5,000 due at signing, offers January 6th. And we'll finish off with the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Crew Cab 4-wheel drive custom for 36 months. Monthly payments, $409, about $5,000 due at signing. It expires on January 2nd. As we approach the new year, now is a perfect time to snag an incredible deal on leftover 2023 models. I said that. These vehicles have been sitting on dealer lots for a long time, making them prime candidates for negotiation. Whether you're after a muscle car, a workhorse truck, or a capable SUV, this list highlights the 10 most negotiable new vehicles right now with discounts of 20% or more. You could drive away with some significant savings. Let's begin. Starting off with the 2023 Dodge Charger. Inventory over 2,700 available nationwide. Market day supply is 98. Average selling price about $46,500. Your pros and cons: bold, iconic muscle car styling, powerful engine options, including V8 variants, spacious interior for a sedan in its class. Cons: aging platform with limited modern updates, low fuel economy compared to competitors, and the new Dodge Charger Daytona may overshadow it. 2023 Ford F-150, over 2,500 available, 115-day market supply number here, average selling price about $58,000. Although it does have best-in-class versatility and towing capability, wide range of trims and engine options, you know that it's an F-150. High resale value in the truck market, you should know that too. Cons: expensive higher trims, even with rebates. Interior design lags behind some competitors. We're talking about the 2023 model here. Slower sales may indicate a saturated demand. People are maybe going for different ones altogether. How about a 2023 Dodge Challenger? About 2,000 of these available nationwide. 97-day market day supply. $54,000 is the average selling price. Last chance to own a classic American muscle car? This could be it. Incredible V8 performance options, retro-inspired design stands out in the segment. High price tag compared to modern sports cars, though. Less practical for daily driving. You know it's less practical. Expected depreciation as EVs are gaining traction. 2023 Ram 1500. Inventory about 1,200 nationwide. Market day supply over 100 days. Average selling price $57,000. One of the smoothest rides in its class thanks to rear coil springs, luxurious interior, and higher trims. Strong towing capability, but no longer available in the classic model. Pricey compared to competitors like the Silverado. Slower sales indicate potential overproduction. Maybe so. Next up, the 2023 Ford F-250, over 1,000 available nationwide. Market day supply is 97. Average selling price 62 grand, built for heavy duty tasks with exceptional towing and payload capabilities. You knew that. Variety of engine options, including diesel, excellent durability and reliability for work use. Although high initial costs, even with rebates, bulkier and less fuel efficient than light duty trucks. Limited availability of certain trims and features. That is a con. 2023 Silverado, 930 of these available nationwide. Market day supply, 160 days. Wow. Average selling price, 54. It does have competitive pricing with deep rebates, solid towing and hauling capabilities, updated infotainment system, and higher trims. Interior, though, doesn't feel as refined as competitors like the Ram 1500. Limited engine options compared to rivals. Slower sales indicate potential for depreciation. All right, 2023 Jeep Grand Cherokee, over 900 available. 173-day market day supply. Crap. Average selling price, 57 grand. It does have a luxurious interior with advanced technology, strong off-road capability, especially in the Trailhawk trims. Large inventory means there is room for negotiation. That's why I'm bringing this to you. Premium price tag compared to other SUVs, that's a downside. Below average cargo space for its class, and slower sales may impact your long-term resale value. 2023 again, Ford Escape, over 800 available. Market day supply, 178 days. Average selling price, $35,500. Compact size makes it ideal for urban driving. Fuel-efficient engine options, including hybrid variants. Affordable price point with current rebates. Not a bad deal. Although it does have a dated design compared to newer competitors. Slowing sales hint at declining popularity. That's your choice. Interior quality is average for the segment. The 2023 Jeep Gladiator, over 840 of these available nationwide. Market day supply, 148 days. Average selling price of 52 grand, so above the average selling price for all vehicles. It combines off-road capability with pickup utility, open-air driving experience available with the removable roof and doors, strong resale value in the Jeep family. On the downside, higher price than mid-sized truck competitors, rough ride on pavement compared to smoother trucks, and limited availability of certain trims and features. And we'll finish off with the 2023 Ram 2500, over 700 available nationwide, market day supply 158 days, average selling price 65 grand. It's a heavy-duty performance vehicle for towing and hauling, available diesel engines with strong torque, surprisingly comfortable ride for a work truck. On the downside, high upfront costs, even with incentives. Larger size limits maneuverability, but you knew that. Gas mileage trails behind competitors. Take control of your car buying experience by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com right now. Dealerships are eager to move this aging inventory and meet annual sales goals, making them more flexible on pricing. If you're in the market for a great deal, now is the time to act. This free search engine provides real-time dealer pricing for both new and used vehicles, helping you save hundreds, even thousands of dollars. And thousands of people use this daily to find the best deals near them. Enter your zip code now and find a great deal on a vehicle of your choice by visiting quotes.everymandriver.com. There's also a direct link below this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest insights from the automotive world. Hope to see you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.